Class 11th Business Studies. Now we learned here the differentiate between business, professions and employment. First difference is mode of stabilization. Entrepreneur decisions and other legal formalities if necessary. Membership of a professional body and certificate or practice. Appointment letter and service agreement. Second, nature of work, provision of goods and service to the public. We can serve to the public how it is mentioned in the business. Rendering of personalized expert service. Persons who have experienced to give the service to the others and or public. Next, performing work as per service, contract or rule of service. For employment means performing work as per service and contract of rule of service. What is the rules made by the employer? Qualification. No minimum qualification is necessary or required. Every qualification is possibility. Nowadays, the business people understand that MBA, BBA is a necessary qualification to effortness in business. Next, in profession, qualifications, expertise and training in a specific field as prescribed. Qualification and training as prescribed by the employer. Next, reward or return. In business, profit earned, professional fees, now fees. Salary or wages. Risk is present in business, some risk in profession, no or little risk in employment. Number 6, transfer of interest. Transfer possible, no possible, not possible. Next, number 7, examples. Business examples of factories, legal, medical in CA. Job in bank, insurance, companies, government department. Okay, thank you.